Hi gardening friends! Well, we're in about the middle of July and by some miracle, the potatoes are ready to harvest. Don't ask me, it's been a very weird summer. So half of them are dyed back to the point of being gone, like where did the potato plants go? And the other half are still beautifully lush and green, and I planted them all on the same day. So I don't know, but we're gonna harvest some potatoes because harvesting potatoes is so much fun. So the ones that appear to have died back are Yukon Golds and Red Norlands. So we're going to dig these things up and see how many we've got. We're gonna leave the Kennebecks and the blue Adirondack potatoes in for a little bit longer because they're still very green. So when you want to harvest your potatoes, you're looking for dyed back plants. Withery, straw-like, totally gone. Then you pull them up and you start digging. So let's see what we can find. Okay, well that was fun. I love looking for potatoes. It's like digging for treasure. So we've got some very nice red potatoes. We've got big ones. We've got medium-sized ones. And we've got these little tiny baby ones, which I will probably fry up for breakfast tomorrow morning. A couple of them, unfortunately, got stabbed by the potato fork because they were so many. I didn't have this problem last year, but there was so many, it was hard not to hit them. So the ones that are stabbed will be getting eaten in the next day or two. The ones that aren't, I'm gonna let dry out, cure, then I'll wipe off the dirt and stick them in the root cellar, AKA my basement pantry, for storage for as long as it takes us to eat them. Now it's time to check out the Yukon Gold side and see what we got over on that side of the bed. First potato connected to the plant. Oh, that one's so big. Okay friends, we're back. So as I started digging things up, I remembered that I only planted a few Yukon Golds that had sprouted in my pantry. But from those few, I got some pretty nice looking potatoes. So there's a pretty nice pile here. One potato was sacrificed to the shovel, split right in half. But it is not a waste. We will just eat this tonight for dinner. I don't know what I'm cooking anyway, but I'm sure potatoes can go with it. Then as we moved over, we ran into the blue Adirondack potatoes and got quite a few of those as the first couple rows that I planted, which is pretty exciting. But here's my thing, just a warning if you decide to plant blue potatoes. They're really hard to see. They blend in with the dirt, they look like rocks. You're gonna be digging because they're just blend right in like camouflage. But I'm really, really happy with this first potato haul that we've got. And look at all those plants. We're gonna have quite a few more potatoes. All right, gardening friends, have fun in your garden. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Please like, subscribe, and share to this channel. Peace out.